aka krata no to am saka krata no the next step DNA begidi say yen saka o ma brepam ye no bedwetwe sankomo no but rora hodie Mubarakia school no ye besi foforo ye besi ama ye nyina de ani ehunu say asam no ye so mo obayiwa no so no yesi ye nyamuntu ho no ye nyamuntu ho nyame aduma paya na me bonyankopon man ahoden efiada kwajo efiada asampati ha no mabomodie na matutom na makorara fiada mabomodie na masore hamache matutom korara na medimani akoshe school no na ho amane ebo no sane ya me ne da bia no mede bedro manfo entimusha ne so na munya rehemu eno no na saying komo ekoso LGBTQI wobia wayo ba enso ayani se waye bema tio wobia wayo ba enso waye ne niam nyina se waye bema intino obi afa ne bema ne honya nakono eje wo ba ani wo obi so ho a wayo ba waye ne niam nyina se wo ba pepepe enso bema honya nakono bema honya nakono eje wo ba ani wo mama bi wo ho so a waye bema enso woye ne niam nyina sa oyoba enti bema honya nakono woye bema enso woye ne niam nyina sa oyoba enti bema honya nakono ani ewo obi so woye bema ye ne niam nyina sa bema enso woba honya nakono aje ne nyonko bema na enkomo yakoso a dwenkyira dodo no aba na mimejira hane emso na wotwe nyina manfo abisa na I've always made my stand, my position clear. Me some jira ha be men me so se be man fa ne nyanko be ma debi me fuaso one me Kristo ni me Kristo somo no ankyere se Bible say na Nyankopon bo Adam and Eve Nyankopon mo Adam ne John ana Adam ne Michael obo oba ni bema ana wade kwan no to ho se kwan ya mo pesa musia mu a mo fa so ni enti se ene nipa da sani o pesa wo fa aboa sebe aboa nipa da sani pesa wo fa aboa na masembi sani wanyina no aya sase free he aya hwan sudie whose responsibility sase sen now say charity begins at home. Charity begins at home. Abusan pese na ye chichen komo yie pa asori a wokọ abusu a wo free mu ekere your religious background and your cultural values ekere na anapɛ bɛsɛ yɛhwɛ awofoɔ parents any responsibility a ɛda yɛ so sɛ awofoɔ ɛwɔ yɛ ma ho ɛsiane sɛ sansu ni ban ɛhyɛ aseɛ nkakra ɛno a mani aberanteɛ bi twitwi nkɔm a na wɔse wɔ no ne Sunday school teacher ɛna de ne kɔɔ saa tebea nim Sunday school teacher o enti meme de me ba no adu asɔre na me sɛ o meme kɔ mpanifuom enti wo nso so yɛ dan makɔgya me ba no so wɔ Sunday school na meme te mpanifuom a metie nyame asɛm no na Sunday school teacher no a me de me wura ahyɛ ne mu sɛ wɔde nyame asɛm ɛna ewura me ba no mu no wɔde bibi foforɔ awofoɔ nti yɛwɔ mmerɛ ma yɛn ma no awofoɔ do we have time for our kids yɛwɔ mmerɛ ɛma yɛn ma no awofoɔ bebree adwene no akɔyɛ sika nti wɔsɔre anapa a sika no wɔkɔpɛ no a sika no a wɔkɔpɛ no a ɛna wɔadwene ho nti awofoɔ bi sɔre ahamakye na 9 pm by 5:30 no afirifie abofra no sɔre na wɔde 20 Ghana ato table no so aka kyerɛ maid servant ne sɛ Prince ana Junior sɔre a hwɛ no na ma ne bus no na dware no na school bus ne nkɔfa no ana driver no ba bɛfa no driver ne ba bɛfa no na wɔkɔ wɔbɛfi kuroma bɛdu fie no na ba na dwobɛ na wɔtwe mpam na nkono nondu na abofra nada enti paasa abofra ne benya no sɛ me maame ni mene ne trase atwetwe nkɔmɔ na afei mene na di nkɔmɔ mommy abisa how was school today then I usua yama assignment odamfo we kan say that relationship any ho enti sɛ kɔba ne saa abofra no kɔ bibi mu kora no a wɔhunu ne ɔnkaka nkyerɛ no enti advice afotuo bia na damfo bi di bɛma no ɛne odi so yadwene ni nyinaa kɔyɛ sika ana sika no yɛ feel sɛ yɛ pɛ de ahwɛ mmɔfra no enti mmɔfra no well-being ɛho hiaen mmɔfra no well-being wɔn mu yie die ɛho hiaen sika no ane yɛ pɛ ɛnɛ saa gege ne lesbian ne adeɛ yɛ ɛkɔ so yi ɛhɔ na hyɛ aseɛ fi na nsɛn sɛ wode ani ato fam a cartoons a yɛyi ne TV so hwɛ ne yie paa watch it ɛyɛ mpanifoɔ nti yɛsɛ daa yɛadwene nkɔ cartoons ne so ba wobɛhwɛ cartoons bi no na characters a ɛwɔ cartoon ne mu no mɛma mmienu na yɛayɛ ɔmo obi ne ne yere cartoons so na amafra no ɔmo hwɛ so it starts from that level ɛhyɛ aseɛ firi hɔ abofra bɛkɔ boarding house from form 1 to form 3 na parent nsi school hɔ da kokora da sɛ wɔbɛhwɛ sɛ ne abofra no ne ho teɛ ɛdɛn na ɔyɛ wɔ school hɔ ɛnamfofoɔ bɛn na wɔfa association bɛn na wakɔjoin ɛfa yɛ ho ɛna wohyia mmɔfra 13 years 14 years 15 years 16 17 18 wohyia mo krom na wohwɛ mmɔfra no paa busa sɛ na mmɔfra nto ɔmamfoɔ wɔ he but say awofo yentimi antwe mofra no amben yentimi anyambre amma mofra no ama yentimi ambie niam bi so anu na me ni abofra bi kasa anu na me ni abofra bi kasa in fact anapai na nka me do pesa pa se koma me twetwen ekwode na no betum bi but bibi nti abayan so 15 years the whole 15 years no hwesenia na yonkofo ne omawofo etia I say daddy I've never hugged my mom before 15 years o say na ni free or hugging ne maame da lockdown ni mu ana ne nafofo introduce no to lesbianism 15-year-old girl bibia ofie sika ofie akomon de no I said daddy at 15 years I use iPhone because we have money my daddy bought me iPhone 15 years but what do fear daddy ni ho mommy ni ho and today no for phone in here yawa jumaye abai no one there and so charity begins at home. Charity begins at home. Proverbs chapter 22 verse 6. I say, train up the child in the way he should go. Titi abofrano ekwa wanya den one faso. Me bisa wo for wo mutie me anapai. Now I want us to have a conversation. I wo for wo mutie me. Aso what tell wo ba no kwan a one faso. Ana wo se wonam kromo na wo bi hia no a won kire no kwan. Na one faso. What's the kwan one faso? And all these people are in our society. Eh? Lesbians, gays, they are all over. I'm not sure I'm a faso. So when in your time, I'm a frano. When in your brand, I'm a frano. Somebody else will show your child the way. There's a Nigerian proverb I love so much. If the wise man in the village will not teach the children, the idiots will. If the wise men in the village do not teach the children, the idiots will. Sa wo fo no wan nyamra fa ma abofra no a akwarinsa ni bi be kira abofra no kwan obi asabe woton ne ho adigi sika obe kira abofra no kwan obi asabe onom nrubone obe kira abofra no kwan obi asabe waje oba enso na ni ji oba ho obe kira abofra no kwan teje bibia ni sika we a parent anya bibia ni sika that sort of family values, that connection, relationship between father and son, mother and daughter, father and daughter, mother and son. It has to be there. Ne jamu Francis ni ye disikachi. E ko so awana. Ya so da ba beto. Sikanu wo pani nyina achi e kokokokokokokoko wa so na ba beto ana paya ya samu esi do ma hinkrei about you are 16 years afampna awanya mfia duonu ane demu abrante wode adi abayo ni na busuafo akum akokra wom so penny wutina fie ema mofra ewe nanka ye kan na kanwefo a ye kan wo ka ho ye kan wo ka ho enti na pem pesen komo no ye sha ase ye sei na nyina ye fa nkwa dwindwin ye nyina ye fa nkwa dwindwin because ye badwuma ye aban no mo ne ese woye but ye sha ase frifie parents awofo sika no ya huhia sika no huhia enso so mofra ne daache se na ewiase kɔ no mofra ne daache se nyansafo no a ewo kuro yim ha entu mabunu ne mofra ne fo a agimufo no betu mofra ne fo se nyansafo a wo manyim entu mofra ne fo sa wofo am taking up that responsibility entu mofra ne fo a sabe agimufo a wo kurom ebetu mofra ne fo na susanso no ya yeso da ba beda say lesbian yo say ye gay o ye nim oman ya sososo ye betu ya hyiemu tan ye ne ye ba kwa kosi ya sososo and that's the law per our constitution. But let's get to the root cause. You should be a chassis free and it begins at home with the family, parents and their children. So they are now in a meeting where I say, so they are now on what book flight or me call way Dubai. Now my friend house helps. Spend time. Nyam mo friend ho bre bisa wo mo no mo ntwetwe nkomo. I don't know me papa tia say me nya 16 years, 17 years, 18, 19. Na me papa me ne trase. Ye din nkomo say friends, you know? Me ne twetwe nkomo obisa me. Me nya be 19, 20 years. No me ni mo ba. The first time I'm coffee girl, me catch me papa. I was about 21 years. Me catch me papa. I know mommy a footwo. I know hona. Me mommy saso. Because not some relationship no ho. But so no better fear no usro. We kakai. It want to be cram mount chain no me dim koma. O ha bofra no na susanso no so na ebeba o ha bofra no na susanso no wo so ena beba ai na me papa Bishop Dr. Yowusu Ansanse amachi bia buso me say family values wa church pa ya wa dwumaye Yawa Jumaye. Bayuano said, Mammy be a phone line 0302216561. 0302216562. 0302216561. 0302216562. Menu are drinks, eh? Menu are drinks, eh? Sir, your shunya may be here. That's a baby dog. Your shunya may be here. That's a baby dog. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, Winnie.
I met you because I thought time.
Yamicha Chairman into.
And I'm a minister of the Senate. Okay, based on Asia. Bible says, not Lord, I to go to the Kumoya, but not a man you I am virgin with him. And to your and funny could be our best. You know, but the Kumo will not say, oh, once. And I get some you know, ade bi ko to man mu a lesbian ni ke no omo ko so ba be jia sai se to man ga na mu ama yen ye wale awale a enye no kore asofo denye awale papa enti wan se ka wa munum communion wan wa so de wan se ka wa court nyuntu ese ya mamre no akodu be bia ko se te won ka abrofo man mu a won ka ni pa isu omo kasa enti abrofo ni mo ya bre yen nyina na ndi aja tu enti ene so ta mo to so mo de no so bre yen site ya ni ya fa yen ya bra mo ene ya anasia enya ade a do mo ka ibetimi aka se yen na me sure my Ghana
me da say hello, good morning.
Good morning, CJ.
Yeah, whiny.
How are you, my dear?
Nice to meet you.
CJ, question about the UNO topic study about very good. And at school and so up, I say what media no mobile church or message school and CJ na gay asem. CJ, kama ha say die nyama koswa ano sasofo na information sifu na president na nye board amba out na ankasa CJ the problem ba she could believe September I'm say 2 years or last year in the last 2 years president Kwabetia omubisan sa asem na oka say no wa between CCC na CJ be September nyama no muje wa tese amu dem office ka office amu dem ka aka no mo bi otema da o almost 10 years ago nyama mu ye otema ase nu na CJ omo smart transfer ka kwesi take over o se ka Sunday school ni fa bi na oyewe last time ka to bi say and so ni mu kwa no ushers ni kwa ni singers ni kwa no Jenny Lesbos are taking over and you are the they are using money to frustrate it. Obiaye di tamade ma fan say tamade asan say normal ya na my no nya na nam e no nya na sorry e no na di bia but uko other places now I say I dey for more CJ
okay man see me that say oba no money tell don't from so hello, good morning
CJ.
Yes, I'm whining
Then the papa yao other than our friend second mayor Mr. CK bless over for shop anymore the mechanic say
me too
and none of them are more basso. What casta papa and Michelle papa hey I will follow you will check up papa CJ I will follow you will check up papa say Obabe lesbian and I'll be girl Nina be down for us say the whole time I will follow me only time of CJ only time to say I will follow me that time and I mean Anna they be blame government of our movement oh be say too much the be a mission the be then will be the food and say every my morning to CJ where the message and I don't want to know say only to new Twitter and I want to
me that say hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, CJ.
Yes, sir, whiny.
I'm from Kwakusego, but first you go Modunka.
Go into
Hey, CJ, I'm there na a big kasa ya tse mo payne kasa ko anabien oche de Ghana highway yetumi na wo hembra queen constitution no do minje de Ghana main na ye ba agitate de ye pede ye na ye lesbians aran ye na ye friend and IGTPO said de o yembra no ehu nche sha ye aban no waka sisi ekufa do tuepo sabi tafrache yankopon pengu so oye game po a Ghana man nyina yan gintum de the mother ne ye pe ekufa do ntum fan hyen yakọ and ekufa do make it clear de otu de Ghana nyina ye beka de the mother ye pede ono do ntum nka oh intimate about time bi anare kan oye ya
but am paying one candidate do many nyada ye so do
that is it
enyo
oh it's atu Amina how you gina head there yen maba kasa usande inde what is you share western world and namano go show be us ma waren what na court why never person you know that be fear be chere ma amina papa is it right oye Ghana ya hamamre sige Ghana ya hamamre oye ya hamamre Ghana ya hamamre boko fie ebusuafa bi eni be hia waje oba na atu waje be na atu wa ye no hwaze but in yesua bibia se de Ghana ye ba so ya adwen ya fa ye ho de ye Ghana fo ye bibi fo de
me that say yanko ya nim hello, good morning
Morning.
Yeah, Winnie.
Open your phone, my sister. That's what you come to.
Steve. Who feel ready no homa me na me you.
I do no cry.
Good. Yentiu.
Kaka me kan say. Awofo na omoja mama na moten. Omo timi hwe mama kan kola na na omo ne na one na sketch no. We nyina ka wona be ne sa na ma wo nyina be ba. Ji se ne awka sa awofo no entu mama fo no. Ya besere ma me fo ne papa fo ne pa. So mo hwe mama no yi. Na isi ase obakọ sa chi bia bi mu. Ayade amo de pa. Openi me dase.
Mizumi dase. Many about Peggy Amadonko or say I support the need for parents to concentrate on training their children like you said. Parents should make time for their kids. Money is not all. I say let the media black out the group by not giving them airtime. The president has spoken about it already. Peggy Amadonko GTV. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, my woman, CJ.
Yes, sir. Udin.
Original, fantastic one. Original. Originally.
Okay, what's the friend? Original.
Let's say Spinters Manette.
What's the friend?
Spinters Manette.
Okay, ain't you? Oh, yeah, my last caller, ain't you?
Madam, my last caller. CJ. The thing is, wedding. I can't. Yecha, Yankafa Yedino, and a Yakafa Abrofu 1 day. Yakafa Abrofu Lady Ban, Yakafa Abrofu 1 DBR. What don't see DBR so or Pade or the Bashan by force? It's woman can't see DBR, Yakafa Yankafa Yedino, a young queen as Ghanaians.
Yenimisi antimi for phobia biu. Mofra ye japadia Yankopon de amayen. And the Bible says we will account. Enti Minia bema, minia ba. Ma wani nkwa mofra no ho. Ma wani nkwa mofra no ho. Cause ho na sha se free. Na nyini kakran enye bibia ni sika obasori akopɛ sika ne de enso so won tete abofra no ne no anya saa nyankofa no a suban bia obakofa no abonten no asunsun fanso no wo so ne da ene LGBTQIA ene na namin ho shasi free Proverbs 22:6 train up the child in the way it should go tra abofra no kwan a one faso no nyini a one free home enfa na misuro ntete mofra no me kan nya misuro me kan kristo som no minim sa islam mun so etia sa LGBTQI etia and as parents in Islam Yama yenim kwa mofra no ho because if the wise men in the village refuse to advise the youth, the idiots will. Me did the change Jerry Forson, be you ano and pay ya fa ho aseda na TCL and a pay Franco Trading Enterprise. My number no answer frame me if you have an issue you want to discuss. 0206 943337 0206 943337 frame na afi yantwetwen komo Facebook Jerry Forson, Instagram at CJ Forson and afi Twitter so at CJ Forson. Follow us na afi yantwetwen enkomo ida se na TCL and afi Franco Trading Enterprise.